In this video I'm going to show you how we have planned a water feature in the backyard for a customer. Here you can see the basic setup already with all the covers, but just up front down here we have a tank. Here we would have the pump. The pump would direct the water through a 32 millimeters diameter hose or pipe to the top of the water wall, and then the water would be distributed in a overflow channel, which I will show you in a minute, and then the water would go across those natural stone tiles, being collected here in a bottom tank and then moving forward back to the tank which is digged below the grass. So this is the main circle. Then you can see here a overflow channel made of stainless steel, which is supported by two PVC sub-distributions. So this 32 diameter pipe is then divided into two pipes, and each would have a PVC sub-distribution. This sub-distribution is very clearly explained in our glass waterfall mastery course. So you can use this sub-distribution also for glass water walls and for natural stone water walls if you are forced to feed from above. Well, in this project it made sense because it was the minimum effort, but actually if I do water walls outside where we have to face a little bit more pollution, I would prefer a feeding from below, but this would have been more work, as we would have had to spare more space for those pipes coming from below, but works also fine from above. Then down here we had a bottom tank made of stainless steel, and at the back we put it a little bit higher so that we could fix it at the back wall. So here you can see the complete principle again, and then those natural stone tiles were put below this overflow channel. Let me show you how those stone tiles. Here you can see those. We have made an extra test for the customer to see which one look the best, and I have also made a video for this. Very important, what you can see here is that if you use white tiles, then you won't be able to see almost any of the water, because there is no contrast for the light reflections of the waves. So it's very important that you use darker tiles if you want to see the water crossing across your tiles. So those are the tiles the customer used, and as we knew that it's going to be such tiles which are not even at the surface, we had to plan a bigger bottom tank, because those natural stone tiles, they produce splashing as drops are leaving the surface because of all those sharp edges. So this is the basic setup. You can make variations of this. Actually, for example, you don't have to put the overflow channel like that. You could put it also a little bit back like that and down, and then just use the surface of your wall. But very important, you need to create borders so that the water would not leave the planned way, because I've showed it in another video too. If you don't take care of that, then a pretty big part of your water won't hit your bottom tank and it will go around. So actually water walls or indoor waterfalls or outdoor waterfalls, they're usually always individual, custom made according to your wishes and according to your fantasy and creativity. So it's almost like in nature, you won't find the same waterfall in nature too. So each waterfall is very individual, So, but I think it's good to take your time and use this SketchUp program, and also and make your drawings, and think, because it's really like that 1 minute planning saves you 10 minutes processing. So take your time, make your drawings, draw it and test, and then you will have a pretty good time when it comes to producing and installing. If you don't do it, then you will face one challenge after the other, and you will lose a lot of time on the construction site just because you didn't take enough time and patience to plan it properly, so that you really feel, okay, now this is going to work well, very, very probably, and then you can go step by step after you have made a proper planning. So I hope this is good for you, and please comment if you have better ideas or if you have questions. Please subscribe to my channel and visit vavazen.net, our water wall school. Register for free. We have a free basic course, and we have also cool courses where you can learn very deeply and in detail how to build water walls, and where you can learn how to start a water wall business. So hope to see you soon there. Thank you. Bye bye.